making some New England clam chowder for John for the eatery tonight. And these are the potatoes we're using. We're using chef potatoes as opposed to a russet potato. Russet potato is going to have a lot of starch in it. And a starchy potato breaks down a lot. Potato, just shave just a little bit of the skin off one side, a little bit of skin off the other side, and this gives you a platform to work off as well. Small dice is what we look for when we do the potato. That's a small dice. A little bit of skin's okay in the New England clam. Small dice potatoes. Another tip: potatoes can brown pretty quickly if we're not careful. But if you simply leave them in cold water as you cut them, the potatoes will not brown.